Hey guys, like I said last time, I will teach you Sun Salutation. Today, 1 minute yoga will show you Sun Salutation A first. Ready? Okay, inhale all the way up, hands to the sky. Exhale all the way down to Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, both legs to the back to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra. Tuck your toes. Exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up, and then put it to the front, and the left leg also to Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, Tadasana. We do the other side. Remember to breathe in this exercise. When the pose is going up, then inhale. When it's going down, then exhale. Thank you for watching, and please follow my Instagram, Facebook, YouTube channel. If it's useful to you, remember to like and share my video. Namaste.